Today's little job, I need a light for over the top of the wood lathe. Got it in place where I want it. Got my chisels and stuff in place. Got a bit of a semi-camera mount there, and I could really do with a light, because when you're standing using the lathe you're in your own light. So I'm thinking something attaching to this shelf here. I've got a funny feeling I might have, and this is only because right next to the lathe from the job I've done the other day, I've got some copper tubing. And a box of plumbing bits and pieces. There we go. I think we can definitely come up with something for that. Bits and pieces. Now I'm thinking something like that. Will do the job. I've got one of these that I was given a long while ago. It's out of a display unit, I believe. A couple of these bulbs. I'm not even sure what we got them for, but let's see what we can knock up. Straightened it up to take the dings and dents out of it a little, and give it a quick coat of paint. Checking through the drawer to see if I've got a drill bit to fit that one. I've got this one here that I found just before I remembered to turn the camera on. Slightly too small. I've got the blade, which is a fraction too big, about 1 millimetre too big, but I'd probably be happy with that. I don't want it loose though. I know some of you are going to think that's some pretty rusty drills, but the reason why the place is such a mess, why the drills are so rusty, etc., I will show you. That's my garage ceiling. That's the leak we had, and everything that lived here originally got absolutely drenched. Obviously this bench wasn't here. Christ almighty, the size of this MDF if it had been. But we're getting there, slowly but surely. I'll just knock this up for now till I can afford something a little bit better. This is the important area at the moment. Try and get this in some semblance, and then we'll find somewhere for all the other crap. So that's the hole drilled, and I'm thinking put that through from the top of the shelf, cut this off to the thickness of the shelf plus what it needs to go into an elbow, and that should keep it from rocking around and still allow me to pivot. So okay, so cut it off to the size I need, attached the union that will sit at the top, pop it through that there hole. So that's how the unit goes together. There are 2 screw holes. I need to find some way to make that fit that. Taking that back off the lamp, just to try and find something to put on there, and it actually appears that that sits perfectly inside there. We only have a small amount of thread on there, and some of that is taken up by the step in there. However, I have now found a small washer that sits inside there and goes over the thread thus. So hopefully voila. I could cut this cable down, but I don't know how long I want it yet, so I guess I won't be. Like so. Okie dokie, so we've got all of our bits together now. We've got what we want, the desired effect, but it's a bit loose. So we need to find a little solution for that one. And I think I may have come up with something. In my box of odds and ends, got these kept from the camper van last year. They're the ends off stretchers, which we've converted into beds for the kids. Cut the spacer off, which I'm hoping I've measured correctly. You can see the other end of that joint. I've got a rubber plumbing washer and one of the little connections you get when you buy your hose pipe and fixings for your tap, outdoor tap. go. Perfect. Lovely job. We can twist it to where we want, put it right over the job. I'll put it right out the way. It appears to work. I've got a switch somewhere I'm going to dig out so we can have a switch instead of the plug I've got at the moment. But like I said, I only set this up just over a week ago, so it's just to be able to use it at the moment. I have to change this bulb. It's not particularly good. I know that you can actually get some really good LED type ones, which I think I'll get for better light, because this is a bit of a yellow light, and also because it's so long, it's sticking out the bottom of here, and it kills the camera. But all in all, I'm pretty pleased with it. It'll do the job for now. Get a switch on it and put the trunking in behind here just to cover this. There's not a lot goes on the shelf, but just for safety more than anything. And happy lathing, hopefully. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.